What is going on, everybody? It is time for another CGC unboxing. I got a ton of boxes that just came in, so there's gonna be a lot of videos coming. Make sure you hit the like button, slap the subscribe, and let's get into it. Here's the first book. Shout out to Mrs. Troll putting the tape on these books so I don't see what they are. The first book of the day is Curse of Cleaver County. It is the Invincible foil. I got this book from Final Order Comics. You can find the link down in the description. Make sure you go follow them. FinalOrderComics.com. And you can find them on Whatnot. This amazing Invincible. I love this cover, by the way. So, you know me. I'm thinking 9698. Invincible foil. Let's see where we go with it. Are you ready? Oh, yeah, baby. 9-8 on the Invincible. Curse of Cleaver County. Awesome foily goodness. This will be for sale. Hit me up on IG or here on YouTube. And maybe we can make a deal on this bad boy. Let's get into the next one. Book number 2. Book number 2 is another one of the copies of Invincible. John Boy Myers. This is the Comic Tom and Mill Geek exclusive.
It's your boy Gem Mint.
I got this book from my boy Gem Mint Collectibles. Make sure you follow him here on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. My man's everywhere. And on Whatnot, of course. He's always giving away statues and all kinds of fun stuff. But same deal. I'm thinking 9698. I usually don't send books in unless they're older books. And I know they're going to be lower grade. But we're fingers crossed for the 9698s. And let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 2 for 2. 9-8 on the John Boy Myers Invincible. Shout out Gem Mint. Let's go, baby. Let's get into book number 3. This will be for sale, by the way. Make sure you check out my Whatnot and IG. And I will have this for sale while it's still available. It might be available now. I don't know. Might be sold by the time you watch this. But we're going to get on the next book. Book number 3. Book number 3 is Amazing Spider-Man 21. It is the Disney 100. It is the Goofy Hulk homage, okay? And it is the What If Goofy was exposed to gamma rays. I love this Disney stuff. And I don't know if you guys know, my son, little Jimmy, has autism. And he is obsessed with Mickey and the gang. And so I just grab up everything Mickey that I can. And we sent these in. Either way, no matter what the grade is, I'm keeping these for him. So, again, we're looking for the 9698. Usually, if something was a 96, I would sell it right away. But these are for my little man. So, we're still going to hope for that 98, but let's check it out. Let's go. 9-8, baby. 3 for 3. I love this cover. Goofy is one of my favorite characters. I was just talking to one of my boys about it. And I love this book. Again, this book will not be for sale. But maybe I'll get some more in the future. I love it. Book number 4, I'm super excited about. This is Javon Jordan, Nightwalker's #1. Shout out to Final Order Comics. Exclusive. And it took so long for CGC to send this back because they didn't know how to grade it at first. So hopefully this is like a 9.9 or a 10. I'd be happy with the 9.8 though. And it is a blood splatter foil. Okay, all those spots that you see blood, there's actual like I can't show you, but what you can literally feel the blood. Like it's not wet, but it's awesome. So we're hoping for, again, 9698. They even say on their Final Order Splatter Edition. So let's see what we got on this bad boy. Oh, yeah. 9-8. 4 for 4. That bad boy will be for sale. It might actually already be sold though. Just check the IG and whatnot and see if I have the book still. But I think somebody said they wanted this book. But holy, awesome book. This cover is sick. I love it. Book number 5. Book number 5 is another one of these Disney 100 covers. This is the Infinity Gauntlet one with all of the characters Mickeyized. And it is What If Mickey and Friends Had to Save the Universe. I love this cover. I love all these Disney 100s. This one may or may not be for sale. I sent a bunch of these out. So I got a couple more boxes we got to go through. Definitely going to keep 198, maybe 2. I sent multiples of this out. So these will be for sale. Especially if one of them gets a 9.6 compared to the 9.8s. That'll be for sale. But again, we're hoping for a 9.6, 9.8 on this amazing Spider-Man 23 Disney 100 cover. And let's check it out. You love to see it. 5 for 5. 9.8. Let's get on to the next one. Book number 6. Book number 6 is another Disney 100 cover. Shout out to my boy Genghis SHAWN. Genghis SHAWN actually sent me 3 copies of this for free. I sent them to CGC. Definitely going to keep at least one of them. Shout out to my boy, man. I love this community and how awesome it is giving back to everybody. And I helped Genghis with a favor, and he was like, "Yo, I know your son likes these Disney 100s." So he sent me 3 of them for nothing, just for me helping him that one time. And I greatly appreciate it, bro. Make sure you follow Genghis SHAWN on whatnot. He's crushing it over there. And follow him on IG. He's doing big things in the community. Really great dude. Follow him, Genghis SHAWN. But we're going to hope for a 9.6, 9.8. Like I said, if one of these comes back a 9.6, it's definitely going to be for sale. There might be a 9.8 for sale. I don't know. I might put all of them away for my son. But because he's obsessed. He already has everything Mickey. I got to get him these. So, let's see. We're going to hope for the 9.6, 9.8-ish. I'm hoping for 9.8, but let's see. Can we go 6 for 6? And we do. 6 for 6. 9.8 on that amazing Spider-Man 17 Disney 100 cover. What if Mickey and Friends were Earth's mightiest heroes? Let's go, baby. Book number 7. Book number 7. This one's a keeper, by the way. I got this from my boy Venomized Comics. Make sure you follow Venomized Comics on IG and on whatnot. I got this off of Venomized on his whatnot. And I'm hoping for a 9.6, 9.8. Beautiful book. This is the foil. This isn't the Virgin. This isn't the trade. This is the foil. And it's amazing. I love me some Tyler Kirkham battle damage. And we're going to check and see what we got. Again, we're hoping for that 9.6, 9.8. Oh, baby. We're crushing it today. 9.8 Berserker number 1. Whatnot foil edition. It's sick. Shout out to Venomized Comics. Big supporter of the show and everything I do. And a great friend and human being. Make sure you follow him on IG and whatnot. Book number 8 is actually a Near Mint All-Star exclusive. If you didn't know, I used to be part of the Near Mint All-Stars. They're still doing things, but I'm no longer a part of it. But this is something that we did together, and I love this book. It's Sajad Shaw did the cover, and it is TMNT Usagi Yojimbo Where When number 1. And it is amazing, amazing cover. And I actually sent 7 copies of this out. This is just one of them. I have multiple boxes back behind me we got to go through. So, like I said, we got a lot of CGC unboxing going on. This is one of the copies, and we're going to check it out right now. Again, we're hoping for that 9.6, 9.8. Let's see where we go. Sheesh. 8 for 8, baby. Can we go 10 for 10? We're so close. We're so close. Guys, this will be for sale. Like I said, I have multiple copies of this. It may or may not be sold out by the time you see this. But check the IG, Trolls Comics, and on whatnot. Book number 9, okay? I got this from my boy. You know what? I can't say it yet. So he told me, okay, yo, you can't ruin my reputation. So if it gets less than a 9.8, don't say my name. So we're not going to say his name till the end unless it gets a 9.8. If it gets a 9.8, I'll tell you his name. If not, he told me not to say nothing. But it's Ice Cream Man 27. Okay, this is the Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark homage. If you guys know me, I love horror and I love scary stories to tell in the dark. If you didn't know, I'm coming out with my own comic book series that's coming out shortly. Already have the artist all set up. I just got to get everything all done and sent out to her. But man, yeah, we're hoping for a 9.8 just so I could shout out my boy that I got this from. But let's see. Fingers crossed. Oh, Michael! Yo, make sure you follow my boy Michael 8477 on whatnot. So his brother actually sent me this because I was dead broke one day. I bought like a whole bunch of Gemini mailers and I didn't have any money on my card. And he threw this up there for me. And it's sold. I didn't have no money. I was like, no, don't run it yet. And his brother actually found me another copy and sent it to me. There's only like 300 copies of this made. And I'm super grateful for Michael and his family that sent this to me. Incredible human being and awesome seller on whatnot. Make sure he's rocking on Saturdays over there. He got an awesome new job. So make sure you follow Michael. Putting out these 9.8s. Let's go. All right, guys, we got one more. That's 9 for 9. The next one is a big one. It's a big one. All right, guys, this is the big one. All right. This one has to come back at 9.8 or I'm going to lose my ish. If it comes back anything less than 9.8, then it's definitely for sale. But this is a book that I've been trying to get in a 9.8 for a while. I paid $100 for this raw. Okay, it's Invincible. Tyler Kirkham. It is the Mark cover. If you see behind me, I've got Omni-Man in the trade and the Virgin. I do not have this in the Virgin yet, which I'm chasing that. And I just got a copy of Adam Eve Invincible cover that I need to send out. So we're going to hope for a 9.8 on that as well. But again, if this is a 9.6, it's going to be sold. 9.8, it's getting kept for a while. Again, this is a big book. We're hoping for the 9.8. Yo, shout out the Featherway Comics. Make sure you follow Featherway Comics on IG and on whatnot. So I got this book off Featherway. He actually was streaming on the STASHHHLOOT page. He's part of STASHHHLOOT. Make sure you follow STASHHHLOOT as well. They just had an awesome show. They had Scar from The Lion King came out with their own book. And it's a Bill Galvin cover. And it was awesome. I actually grabbed the trade and the Virgin from their show. Make sure you check out STASHHHLOOT. But right now, okay? Featherway was like, yo. I was like, yo, is it a contender? He's like, yo, it's a contender, bro. I was like, all right, let's see where we go. I literally did not clean this book. I did not press this book. This book was beautiful. Okay? So, you guys should really clean and press your books, but we're gonna fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Can we go 10 for 10? Let me get some fingers crossed in the chat. Let me see. Are you ready? Oh yeah. It feels good. Invincible. Mark. Battle damage 9.8. I'm super happy with this batch. All 9.8s, 10 for 10. I'm not even mad CGC took so long. That's incredible. Shout out to CGC. And like I said, guys, I got a lot more videos coming up. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe if you want to see some more awesome content. We got CGC unboxing, statue reviews. I even got some regular life stuff on this channel. I was going to make this channel Trolls Comics like everything else, but we're going to keep it the Troll Hunter JC. I am the Troll Hunter JC, and I'm more than just comics, man. I got all kinds of stuff in life. If you want just comics, come over to my whatnot and or my IG. And yeah, guys, I hope you have a great day. Like I say all the time, man, be good to each other. You can't spray perfume on somebody else without getting a little on yourself. The same goes for kindness. The same goes for doing for others. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.